In this video, we're going to look at how to find sources in the library catalog. These will include books, streaming videos, articles, and more. The first thing you need to do is to develop some keywords. Sometimes this can be the most frustrating part of research. Try considering all aspects of your topic and looking up synonyms in a thesaurus. Heather Snap has some other tips on her Comp 1 and 2 research guide. Some search tricks that can help are to use Boolean operators and quotation marks in your searches. The catalog and databases automatically include the Boolean operators and, or, and not. You can choose between them in a drop-down box. And combine search terms. Or will search for results that include either one search term or the other. This can be very broad, but is useful when using synonyms. Not filters out unneeded search terms. Quotation marks allow you to combine words into search phrases. If you search for Cuban Revolution without the Boolean operator and, you're going to get some results that have to do with just Cuba or just revolution, plus those that combine them. Using quotation marks is an easy way to limit your search with minimal work. Now on to searching. You can get to the FGCU Library catalog by doing a Google search for FGCU Library. The catalog search is on the front page of the website. To find secondary sources in the library catalog, type your search term or phrase into the box. Combine words into search phrases using quotation marks. Note the number of results. You can limit these results by publication year. You can see that we have different types of resources here, including streaming videos and ebooks. You can also limit by subject. Catalog and database limits can make your job of searching for resources much easier. We're now down to 7 sources published within the last 6 years. The sources that are from university presses are scholarly, as are those by some of the other publishers like Rowman and Littlefield. See the video on source analysis to learn more about how to tell what results are good and what aren't as good. You can use advanced search to find secondary or primary sources. In this case, we're going to look for primary sources by combining a search term or phrase with the search term sources. You can use other limits before you search if you're using advanced search, such as publication year and format. Most of the results you'll get for primary sources will be primary source readers or document collections. You can also go to subject genre and limit to sources for an even more precise search. Just be aware that this can weed out some useful sources as it is a very narrow search. One of the ways to find articles is through the FGCU catalog. Go to the Articles tab and type in your search term or phrase just like we did in the Book tab. Notice that there are a lot more results. At the top, you'll find an overview, which is usually from an encyclopedia. Many of the articles you find are available in full text, which means you can read them right away. You will find some sources that aren't articles. Often these are book reviews or book chapters. Remember your limits. Limiting to academic journals takes us from almost 100,000 results to just over 15,000. That's still a lot of results. Keep using limits or tweak your search terms until you find what you need. Click on the title to see more information, including what database the article is from. Click Full Text to get to the article. Always use the PDF full text when it's available, because this is a scan of the actual article, which will include charts, graphs, and images.